The innovative Aureole from Benro smartly uses a rear lens filter mounting system to perfectly pair your lenses and filters. It replaces bigger, heavier front mounting filter systems with a smaller package that's quicker and more convenient to use for a clean capture experience. Weighing in at only 130 grams or about 4.5 ounces, it's a tiny package that you can take anywhere and won't weigh you down. Compatible with Canon EF, E, and in the future, M mount lenses. It can even handle wide angle and fisheye lenses with ease. The unique system can accept both circular and square filters at the same time. Perfect for when you want to control exposure with graduated ND filters and tackle reflections with circular polarizers. There's 2 gear wheels on the side to dial them in just right. The filter holder slides in from the side or the top, so your graduated ND can go horizontal or vertical. Ideal when working with gimbals for easy balancing. With the Aureole's electronic control, you don't lose any of your autofocus or aperture control. Aureole from Benro, a marvelous capture experience.